Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? Hello. So, customer brought in Nintendo newer one because it's a new 3DS LL. Yeah, new Nintendo 3DS LL, and said there's no card inside. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And the problem is that there is no sound when you are using in game, but when you use in camera mode there is a sound. So he said that there might be a problem with a jack. I don't know if that's true, but I will follow that lead. Only the problem is I can't open it. So my goal is to use, as always in this case, diamond bits. Okay, so we will see if I can pick one which will be sort of okay for this job. Sorry for the lighting. Need to see. Okay, so this one would be promising, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to not get too big one. I will try to take 3 sizes. Okay, so I've got 3 sizes. Now I'm going to use aqua drill because I can. Okay, and now I can't use a lot of pressure, and I need to make sure that it's central. I'll show you only one, and then I will finish the video or pause the video and do the rest. You know you can skip, yeah? You can just... or leave me a like button or something. Okay, let's see if that does anything or it's a waste of time. Okay, so it does polishing and does leave a metal on it. But it's really slow. And I'm thinking maybe I could use a smaller bit. That's a bit too small. That's... oh, that's bigger. Oh, that's... you know, I wanted to use a bit. Now I know why. I've mounted it on the side. I don't know how I've done it, but I'm saying, why this is so awkward? Oh, now it's okay. Okay, I'll try again. Is it doing anything or... well, guys, it does something. I'll keep on going still. You can skip. So what it does, it moved the screw slightly lower. I was using this technique before and I was happy with the result, and I can say that, you know, I thought that I can do this technique as well. So I'll pause it just because it, you see, it's like 6 minutes already in the video. I'll continue and we will get a conclusion if it's a good technique or not. Yes, because that's the only technique I'm using for now to remove the old you know, screw which stuck and you can't do anything about it. If you know better technique, you can leave the comment down below. I'll pin the best answers because I'll test those theories for sure. Okay guys, I don't know how long it took me, but you see 6 minutes and probably 10 to 15 minutes on top of that ish. I had to replace one bit because it bent. I don't know what I did and what to do to avoid this. Maybe it's too thin, you know, and then I was taking it on the sides for too long. I don't know. I had a speed 1, not speed 2. Only by the end I've replaced the speed. What I can say that do breaks in between, observe the results, and it does the trick because I've done it in the past like number of times. And I know this technique is working, but those need to be taken into the consideration that they have to be smaller than the whole head, because you can't insert and rub the sides, you know, too much. So what it is that when you reach the point that it's you feel the difference in between what you were drilling into and then the next step, that you know it's just feeling differently, yes, then you should stop, because if you won't stop you will be drilling, you know, like doing some damage. So let's switch to the scope. I'll show you under the scope. Okay, yeah, I prepared that before, of course, to save the time. So what it is that those screws are like that. Okay, I could maybe glue them with something and then quicker open it. Yes, so that should be, that's it. It's 4 total, so now 3 has left because I've done 1. So here is something what somebody else done, and here is the one which I've done. And I will use my finger. You can see that it's moving. Yes, so you see, so you can open it now. Don't know if you can see it clearly, but it's moving. The plastic is moving and the metal is sticking inside. So let me switch off the scope, and guys, that's it. That's the let's say method to remove stubborn screws. Of course, this sometimes might not be enough, like it's too short and then you'll struggle, because if the hole is like that and somebody have damaged the head, what can you do? You know, it's impossible almost to open it. You can still open it, but you know, this technique will only work as long as those diamond bits, yes, or maybe drill bits. I don't remember that I did try with drill bits. I remember that I did try with these diamonds, which finally worked, because I was trying different various techniques and it didn't work. So I don't know where I bought it, probably eBay or Screwfix, I don't know, but it's just diamond bits, yes. And this technique, it works. Unfortunately, it's time consuming, yes. So I need to speak to the customer that either he's taking it because I've done one and I know how much time it cost, or he will pay me something extra, you know, because I've got other jobs here waiting and I don't want to spend on this, and then he will say, oh, I won't fix it, or I won't pay you enough. Yes, well, okay, no problem, but I did give it a try. I see what's wrong. I see roughly how much time do I need to spend on it, and then I can go into the diagnosis. Yes, but customer need to say that he's okay with it, because if I'll be spending only hours and hours and I won't get paid for that, then I won't be able to pay my bills pretty much, and you know, I can give something extra, but not all the time everything extra, because it's not valuable for me. Yes, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you get a lesson how to do it, how to remove those stubborn screws. I won't be doing the rest, as I said, so I meant to pause it and then diagnose it as well in the same video, so I will only do the video how to remove stubborn screws. Yes, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.